We started this program with the tremendous task of continuing the Delta mission success tradition.
It has been the heavy lift workhorse, supporting the missions that no other vehicle could, and have made a tremendous difference for this nation.
The assets that we launch with Delta are crucial to our warfighter and have really allowed us to sustain our capability not only in space, but also just on the ground and keeping the entire world in a better place.
That ability to impact the nation in what we can do, our technologies, as well as our reach into space. It's just an honor. There's no other way to say it.
Look at what we as part of the team have done to improve life on Earth. All things to be extremely proud of.
The first launch, you kind of kept your fingers crossed and your toes crossed. We all stood out in the main part of the factory here and watched it, and it's just something that you do and say whatever makes you comfortable for that very first launch.
Watching the Delta IV Heavy right outside the door of the Delta Operations Center and feeling the vibration and just amazement.
I was at the launch site in the dock for the NRL 26 mission, and the experience when that thing lifted off of the acoustics, hitting that facility and literally seeing the windows flexing from the acoustics of that liftoff was something I will never forget.
I've been down to the launch site, been on the pad, been on cranes up and down a heavy vehicle, been able to support on console, and been part of the day of launch activities. So I've seen it from a unique perspective. Those memories will always stick out.
We took a lot of lessons from Delta. Aluminum skins, machined, brake formed, welded together with friction stir welding. The first time we used that was on the Delta IV program.
One lesson learned from Delta IV that will stick for our future launches is our record of mission success and our focus on mission success, making sure that all of our launches accomplished what we wanted and delivered the payload for our customers.
The teamwork that we built across all the different suppliers and across the program itself, it's a really complex vehicle, and so being able to bring that whole team together and deliver Delta for that many years has been brought over into the Vulcan program and will continue to live on.
Whether it be in the design center, the operations center, the production center, we're all a big team, and those teams work together, and it's magic.
Launch conductor is only one little cog in the whole process. This is a team sport, and the team has done nothing but a phenomenal job.
Taking pride in your work and treating everything as if it's the most important job you'll ever do is something that I will keep with me for the rest of my career.
Well, it's bittersweet, of course. We all thought we could do this a lot longer because we love it so much.
It's been a wonderful rocket to work on over these years, and I'm going to miss it.
It is the most amazing rocket I could ever imagine, this Delta IV Heavy.
I'm just proud to have been a part of this team and was able to better my career by working alongside an amazing team.
The legacy of Delta will live on in the Vulcan rocket and in the people that make it a reality and have taken the best of what Delta has accomplished and carry that forward into the future.